What the braps up, fellow brapsters? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 version 3 Revolver on the Husqvarna 701. Also be the same pretty much on the KTM 690. I have another video where I go over how I installed the Peroon rack, which makes this possible. It's just like a saddle. And you just throw it up on over on either side of the bike and center it up so that you can get to your fuel. The nice thing, I've got the Mosko Moto heat shield over the exhaust, which is quote-unquote mandatory by Mosko, which makes sense if you have a 690 or a 701, because they run hot. But the point of that being is that after a few uses it wears kind of a groove in there, and this just kind of seats itself where you want it. So you got 3 straps on the back. Just run them through the rack like so, and up into these keepers. I believe on version 2 these were like plastic. These are metal, pretty beefy. Just get those fairly snug and find this strap, and on the 701 or 690 just go through the passenger peg. Other bikes be similar. Some bikes you may have a spot on the frame that would work, but you want it to be down and towards the front of the bike. Tighten that down and you just roll these on top of each other and secure them in the Velcro, just like so. Done over 3,000 miles with them, haven't had any problems with that yet. And do the same on this side, right through here, back up to the keeper. And then just simply roll those up on top of each other. Like so. Then we'll come back up here, make sure it's where you want it. You can still get to your gas can. Pull those as tight as we want them and flip them through, and this one through that last loop. And you go ahead, start folding those over on top of each other, and same with the other two. And there. After you do these a few times, get a little quicker, I'm finding. Next, you got your dry bags. You have the window so you can see what's in it. This one's my clothes and tools. Roll it over. Dry bag has a loop. Shove that in first. Stick that down, and then you come down here. There's a cutout right here, and you just grab that loop and you can pull that bag down. You get it all the way down, and then you just shove that back up and in behind the bag. I just got home from a trip, so these are not completely full. But on the side, you've got a clip there for that one. Down below, another clip to hold that in. Then you also have goes over the top there. This can be pulled tight. On the other side, I've got my food. I keep this away from the exhaust because I keep my spare fuel for cooking in there. Same thing, got the strap there. Make sure that that's in before the bag. And if your bag's really full, you can just push that up and it loosens this to help you get that in. reach down into the little cutout, pull that tight, shove it back up behind there. I like to pull this tight again to keep everything tight against the bike. Again, you've got your snap there and your snap below. These are adjustable. When I go on a trip, usually the bags are fully out here, so it's nice that these expand. And then you've got your one that goes over the top. This here comes with the Reckless 80. It is the Stinger 22. Sorry, it's a little messy. Like I said, just got home. There's Velcro here, Velcro on this. Just line those up. This strap I like to throw through here. Just make sure that this can't go anywhere. And you come over, bring the beaver tail up. This is adjustable. These two make a beaver tail so you can expand them, put other stuff there if you need to. And I got that strap, and that strap, and you're good to go. This is an addition because there's some MOLLE type webbing here. Keep my first aid kit there so it's nice and visible should I or anyone else need it. And that pretty much is the installation of the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 version 3 Revolver. A couple of special notes. This is extra. I got the version without pockets on the back. It's a little cheaper, and I had these from my previous Mosko bags. This fits 2 of the red MSR fuel canisters. I do one with fuel, one with oil. On the other side I have another one of those. It'll fit a 2-liter dromedary in here, and you can actually get water from in here. You can put the hose out, but I keep my fatty roll from Mosko Moto tools right there. Probably the heaviest thing I carry. I like to keep it weight down low there, and with the fuel on the other side matched up. I don't have another one place pouch like this for this side yet, but I keep water there. Plan to keep water here. That's pretty much it for the installation of the Mosko Moto Reckless 80 version 3 Revolver on the Husqvarna 701 and or KTM 690, pretty much the same. If you like that video is helpful, look in the playlist at the end of the video. I'm going to have a review on over 3,000 miles use of this system. I'll also be posting very soon a video on what I carry when I go motorcycle camping on multi-day camping adventures on the 701. So stay tuned for those. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.